Let's turn that off.
That's old Jeep. It's on the bench there. Still trying to get the other thing off of it.
No difference, right? You have it on or no? It is on?
Yeah,
Shouldn't be doing that.
Beast, Jess.
Shouldn't be doing that.
That what means what? There's no power going to the relay either?
It means I don't know what it means. Possibly. Hold on, I hear this hissing hole back here. Yeah, no. Turn over now. Computer. That's not the computer. Can we check the fuel pressure?
No.
I don't like the way it turns over. It's like lefty loosey, righty tighty.
He's a bad man, McKenna.
Okay, that's really coming off good.
All right, we'll see you later.
Yeah, Rob.
You want me to help you clean up?
Oh my God, did you go visit? You're doing everything you can.
Yeah, he does not want to go.
Oh, hey, Harold, day night.
Only freaking day off.